Truck manufacturers today equip their vehicles with more and more electrical features to maintain comfort in the cabin. Large numbers of electrical consumers require an increasing amount of energy. This leads to deeply discharged batteries, especially after overnight stays. In addition, conditions to fully recharge the battery are often limited. This puts enormous strain on the performance of commercial vehicle batteries. The result? Increasing numbers of battery failures. Further pressure on manufacturers arises from policy. According to EU regulations, trucks' exhaust emissions need to be reduced by 15% until 2025, and even 30% by 2030. This development pushes vehicle manufacturers to bring new powertrain technologies to the market.
One of the biggest challenges for truck manufacturers is the new CO2 emission regulation by 2030. Fuel-saving functions such as mirror cam systems and passive boost systems are increasingly being used. Mirror cams improve aerodynamics and thus have a positive influence on fuel consumption. The passive boost systems decouple the alternator. This leads to a power boost to the wheels for hill climbs and quick overtaking maneuvers. Although these systems are very different, they have two things in common. First, they reduce fuel consumption and therefore CO2 emissions. Second, both drain the battery. Especially the passive boost system with the uncoupled alternator avoids that the battery is being charged. Thus, the battery must continue to power all electrical loads, such as GPS, navigation or driving assistance systems. For conventional batteries, the lifetime is drastically shortened, and truck manufacturers turn to us to jointly develop a battery technology that can master these challenges and ensure a service life of over 2 years and more.
Introducing new technologies from the manufacturer side requires trust to convince fleet customers, because fleets of today expect reliability from their vehicles and their spare parts. Therefore, most fleets put their trust in different original equipment brands to minimize potential risks from weak spots in the individual vehicle models, avoid downtimes, and ensure optimization of their fleet's total cost of ownership. Besides TCO, there is another crucial aspect to the reliability of fleets: the comfort of drivers. Finding qualified drivers became a potential risk for fleets all over Europe. For a successful recruiting, fleets have to offer their potential new team members the newest and best equipped trucks.
The constantly growing number of electronic devices and new powertrain technologies means that the battery needs to grow as well. Therefore, the leading heavy commercial vehicle manufacturers started building a sustainable partnership with us to deal with these ever-growing challenges. This is how the new AGM battery for trucks and buses came into being. At Clariosu, we have developed the VARTA Promotive AGM together with the leading manufacturers for commercial vehicles. But what does develop together really mean? Together, we analysed the power consumption of modern trucks. From the insights we gained, we developed new laboratory tests and specifications and combined our know-how and experience in the field of passenger car AGM and truck batteries. After all laboratory tests were passed, the battery was installed in vehicles to test the reality. The result? The VARTA Promotive AGM guarantees full functionality, reliable starting and a long service life. For this reason, our customers today install the new truck AGM battery in their vehicles to also satisfy their customers with reliability and longevity. For the drivers, our truck AGM product puts an end to missing out on comfort. They can rely on all the functions at all times and start the new working day well rested. The truck AGM has a service life of 2 years or longer, which meets our customers' expectations. AGM stands for Absorbent Glass Mat and means that the electrolyte is bound in a glass fleece, like water in a sponge. This technology allows the batteries to deliver more energy, while at the same time absorbing more charge, meaning this battery will be fully charged within a few hours. Furthermore, we have integrated enhanced fixations to further improve the mechanical properties of this battery. Thus, this battery meets the highest vibration requirements on the market and is suitable for installation on the rear end. The VARTA Promotive AGM combines economy, safety and reliability in one product.
Get to know more about AGM. Get the best out of your fleet. Register now for the VARTA Fleet Programme.